Hello, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax in Stewart. Welcome aboard this brand new 280 Boston Whaler Outrage. What an awesome boat. Twin Mercury 300, 4 strokes, phenomenal power and fuel efficiency. You can see it has a rear folding seat. That really works well, gets up out of your way when you're not using it. Aft live well, also has a live well and a leaning post with a sink. Now those live wells also make great coolers and garbage can if you're not a fisherman. The helm configuration for seating, very nicely done. It's got the bolster seat so you can sit in them properly as a seat or flip them up and make them a stand-up bolster. Very comfortable, very nice. If you note, up in the hardtop, does have outriggers, also has a light blue color, the same color as the hull side. Beautiful, beautiful matching. Console inside, very big and roomy for storage. Does have a marine head. As we come forward, you're going to see this blue color. Well, there's a big sun lounger on the front of the console and a big storage compartment. I left canvas on just so you can see the blue canvas. Boston Whaler does a phenomenal job with that, and this does have the canvas package for all the seating. I'd love to get you out on this boat because I'll tell you, you ride on a 280 Outrage, you're going to be blown away. For more information on this boat, please feel free to call me. Ted Jones, MarineMax Stewart, 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.